Hey everyone! In today's video, we're going to walk you through the different types of trading accounts offered by IFX Brokers. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, there's an account that fits your needs. We'll break down the features of each account and, most importantly, show you step-by-step how to open your own trading account with IFX Brokers. So, stick around and let's get started. IFX Brokers offers several account types tailored to different levels of traders. Let's break them down. IFX Standard Account. This account is perfect for beginner to intermediate traders. It features competitive spreads and no commission on trades. The Standard Account offers a balanced approach for those who are just starting out but still want access to major instruments like Forex, indices, and commodities. The low minimum deposit requirement makes it a good entry point for many traders. IFX Premium Account. The Premium Account is a step-up offering tighter spreads than the Standard Account. It's suited for traders who are looking for a bit more control over their costs and want better execution conditions with a moderate minimum deposit. It's designed for traders who have some experience and are ready to trade in larger volumes. IFX VIP Account. For high-volume and professional traders, the VIP account is the go-to option. It comes with extremely tight spreads and priority execution. The VIP account offers an enhanced trading experience with personalized customer support and additional perks. However, this account requires a higher minimum deposit. IFX Islamic Swap-Free Account. For traders who adhere to Islamic principles, IFX Brokers provides an Islamic swap-free account. This account eliminates overnight interest charges swaps while still offering access to all of the trading instruments. It's ideal for long-term traders who want to trade in accordance with Islamic law. IFX Cent Account. The IFX Cent Account is perfect for beginners or those who want to trade with smaller amounts. It operates with cents instead of dollars, so you can trade with minimal risk. This is a great option for practicing your strategies or testing new markets without committing large sums of money. IFX Raw Account. The IFX Raw Account is tailored for experienced traders looking for raw spreads. It offers direct market access with ultra-type spreads, and commissions are charged per trade. This account is designed for traders who want transparency and direct pricing from liquidity providers, allowing for tighter control over costs. All right, now that you know which account type suits your trading style, it's time to take the next step. Click on the first link in the description below to open your account with IFX Brokers today. When you click the link, you'll be greeted with the following screen, where you can start the easy account registration process. Let's walk through it together. And that's it. Now that you've signed up, you're all set to start your trading journey with IFX Brokers. Remember to explore the platform, familiarize yourself with the tools, and most importantly, happy trading.